So I will briefly introduce you about Captain Siddharth Joshi. First time he came here was in 2014 and his father sent him here कि बेटे घर पे मत टाइम वेस्ट करो और आप जाइए गुरुदेवास एकेडमी में और कुछ सीखना शुरू करिए. उस समय ये 10वीं क्लास में थे. He was in class 10 that time. I like we got somebody here already sitting students from class 10. So he came here when he was just like you. So he studied here. Then he appeared for NDA. Somehow he was not able to clear his first written paper. Second time I think he cleared. He went for his SSB and was screened out. उसके बाद में he said what to do now. So do something. तो क्या करा उन्होंने? 12वीं के बाद में फिर TES के लिए ट्राई किया. तो TES के लिए ट्राई किया तो उस समय भी ये स्क्रीन आउट हो गए. Then we came to Gurudevas in 2020. उसके पहले एक और मेरे ख्याल से अटेम्प्ट उनका नाकाम रहा. So 3 times he had been already out from it. But he came here, worked hard and put in his best foot forward. Aim is what? What are you required to do here? You're supposed to put in your best foot forward. Because whatever we are teaching you is something which you should, pick it up, understand and start building yourself. And he did not only get through the army TES, but TGC के अंदर I think he got through Navy also. He was selected at 2 places. He cleared his 2 SSBs and he decided to go in the army instead of Navy. But I did tell him sometime back, if I was in his place, I would have gone in for Navy. But it doesn't make a difference. It's your own personal choice. So instead of speaking more myself, I will hand over the mic to him and he will speak to you. Right? And tell you about his experiences here at Gurudevas.
Wonderful introduction. And I'll start off with a small story with Chauhan sir only. My second interview was taken by Chauhan sir. I don't know if he would remember because he takes a lot of interviews. But I was shivering when I first came. When I went inside, I was like, sir takes a lot of current affairs and other things, questions very, very well. So I was shivering at that time. How can I go inside? And today, sir giving me an introduction, it's a big thing for me. And bigger than me clearing the speaking also. So as he said that in 2014, when I was Adyansh, just like Adyansh, I was here. All elders beside me, all used to guide me and tell me, thank you, we'll give you a chance in the PPDT. But on the other hand, they used to speak. So, but in this time, if you come up, that would be a very great thing for you. At that time, I was a bit of an introvert. I didn't used to speak that much of an English. I used to fumble a lot. But the only thing if you want to improve your vocabulary or your fluency, is by speaking. Speaking your heart out.
That's what I tell you always. Keep reading, keep listening to English. You will definitely, there is no question that you won't be. Yeah.
And that's the only thing which I follow. It was told to me by Colonel Sinha sir, the respect is not from heart, it is from everywhere for him. Because the way he guided me in 2014 to 2020, he used to tell me that you have that thing in you, that I got screened out twice. For many of you, there will be many people here who have got screened out. Anyone? So it's a very harsh feeling. You think like you have prepared a lot, and you have put in your heart and soul, everything inside, and you got screened out the very first day. That happened to me twice. Even after clearing the exam or going through TES, that happened to me twice. But what happens? The one thing which you have to do is self-introspect yourself. After my first attempt, the mistake which I made was, I thought that no, it was not my mistake. It was SSB's mistake. That they got me screened out. मैंने तो अच्छी story लिख दी. I made a very good story. I did narrated it very well. Everything went well. So where was the mistake? Second time, I again fell on my head. Why? Because I was resistant in accepting my mistakes. Then I came back to Gurudeva again. I just said, these all things happened. Colonel Sinha gave me a very good of a bash. क्या story लिखी तुमने? Then again, I reworked upon myself and I was able to come through. So Gurudeva Academy is just a stepping stone for you. It will help you find what is the right thing. But you have to put on your resilient efforts so that you are able to go in the right path.
Use your presence of mind is very, very important. What we have taught you is fantastic, fine. You picked up that. But you see, there will be so many questions which will be asked. We have not prepared it. So what? At least we've got the background. How to give an answer. What should be the content of an answer. Which what we tell you to do that. Yeah.
So I think that's all. If any one of you have any doubts or anything, I am an alumnus of this academy. You can contact me anytime. I might not be available on phone, but you can anytime if you want to approach, you guys can approach, and I'll be very grateful to help. And I once again like to thank the academy as well as Rama ma'am, Rahul sir, and everyone in the staff for making this happen. And it's been a wonderful. It's been wonderful for me to come back here again and speak in front of you guys, so that I can at least give you a boon for your next journey.
Yeah, so I forgot to tell you one thing. He is in the army and he is in the engineers, sapper. So आपका degree course वगैरह होना है होएगा. You've done it already. Pune? Okay. So that is the opportunity that you get. Not only getting into the army, but all your education for which you will be spending money outside, not required there. You will be getting a 5-star treatment wherever you are doing the training, get your degree, and of course, be in the army at the same time.